Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how to create an email template using Figma and generate the code from Figma and edit and also publish to and test it to your email. So let's jump to Figma application, okay? So before I start designing the email template, so I will split into three steps. So step one, understanding the layout structure. So this is the structure of design that I will create. So because of Figma using frame as the artboard, so most of the design will create based on frame, not based on group or artboard, because Figma has a frame as artboard. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah. So this frame you need to create as a frame and frame as a frame root, and inside the frame root you need have to create some section. So the first section is a header section or header row. So the second section it should be content row, and the third section it could be footer row. So, but for the content row, it will have multiple content. It could be one or many, or maybe two or three, depends on your content that you want to put as an email, as a content for the email, yeah, for the email newsletter or anything. So the structure you need to create inside the root frame. You need to create as a frame, but I call as a row, and the row inside the row you need to create a new frame. It called a row content, and then inside the row content it could be has a column or image or text or even button. So yeah, I think it's quite it's quite the same thing. So but the important thing that you need, and I would say must, is you have to understand about the auto layout features in Figma, because it's mandatory. Because if you want to create an email template, you need to learn the auto layout and how to create, because we will create the email using the responsive feature. Okay, I hope you understand for understanding the layout structure for the email template. Okay, in step 2, I will start design the email template. So I will recreate the design based on sample. So this example is the newsletter from Downless Game. So as you can see, this is the structure for the template for the email. So it has 3 sections for the content, one for the footer and one for the header. Okay, so this is the header and this is the footer, and also the content, it has 3 sections. So I will recreate, and I already prepared the image and also the content, the color. So yeah, I will start it. Okay, so actually when we design the email, actually you can create if you want to using a plugin. So I recommend, it has some recommendation for the plugin if you want to create based on template. So it has Envier HTML, email Canonically, and Marka email generator. But the simply way, if you want to create the template using the plugin, so I recommend using Envier HTML. So if you want to run, so it could be like this. And because I don't have the frame as the frame root, so you need to create a frame first. Wow, so this is the example of the frame from I mean the template from the env. So it could be like this, and as you can see the structure, it could be the same from what I already created. This one is a row, and the second row it has a logo, and this for the HTML. But from my version, so I created the row and also a row for the content and also the image. So yeah, it could be the same, but when already finished, so we can render as email using this plugin. Okay, so I will not using this one. Okay, so the first thing that you need to create is the header. Okay, so I will create the frame here, and this I will name a row, and I will create the another frame as a content. Most of the you need to create as the auto layout, and then this one as the auto layout. Okay, I will using the color. Okay, to make it easier to understand, so I will create multi-color layer. Okay, this one you need to make it fill for the horizontal resizing, because we will create as a responsive email template design. Okay, and okay, I will add the logo. So I will create the logo. I will put as a logo, but I will create as the image frame. And then I will copy and I will put to this frame as an image. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, sorry. Oh, wait. Okay, and then okay, I already add this image into this image frame, and I will adjust the image into the as a fit. Okay, fit, yeah, fit. Okay, and then I will put into the content row. Okay, as row content. Okay, I will put here, and then I will make it as a center alignment. Sorry, this one. Okay, and then you can adjust the row, because we don't need to the background, so I will remove the background, and I will try to mimicking the color with the example. Okay, and then the second is create the content. Yeah, content. So I will duplicate this one because it's a row as a header, and the second one is could be the content. So I will duplicate. It. Okay, because it's no, sorry. So don't forget, if you want to create, so make sure this should be the vertical direction. So if you duplicate it, should be on or below here, because it is vertical. Okay, and then you can rename it as row content or row content. Yeah, let's see row content. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then I will add another content, but for this one I will add the image. The image is okay, this one I will change the image. Okay, I will change the image, 1 second. And then I will fill. Okay, but you need to adjust the height. Okay, you need to adjust the height. You can create a specific and then you adjust it as long as you want it. Okay, okay, and then don't forget the vertical sizing. You need to create as 1 second. You need to create as hug, this one. Yeah, okay, you don't forget, change the content as a high vertical resizing. Yeah, vertical resizing as hug. And then you don't need to add the padding, you can remove it. Yeah, you can remove it. And then this one, it could be part of the text. Yeah, text content. So you don't need to you can delete it, but before to add, you can copy this one and put here. Okay, boom. Whoa, wow, 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 wow. So you don't need to worry, because you need to change the vertical direction, but you need to adjust the order of the content. Okay, you can put hug, and then you can put as the, oh sorry, I think I'm wrong. You can put here, you can put here, you can do that. Okay, okay, 1 second. Yeah, so I will create the field container. So this is the still rough. You need to make some adjustment or add some padding. Okay, the section 1 is already created. So as you can see, the structure of the layer, as you can see on the left side. So I create on row content has 2 content, one as the image, so the second row is for the text. So as you can see here, so this is the image, so I put as a frame background, and also the second is a content, I put the text. So yeah, this is the structure of the layout. So if you mimicking the structure frame, it has the row content here as it could be column, image, or text, or button. So the second row, it could be the same thing, is the content, and you can put anything that you want. Okay, and then if you already finished as the as a content, because I will duplicate into 3 sections the same structure with the first one that I already created. Okay, so I will duplicate, and then I will make it a gap as 16, and then I will make the update the content mimicking as an example that an email. Okay, so I already finished created 3 sections for the content. So this is section 1, section 2, and section 3. And the last thing that I need to create is a CTA button. So how to create it? So I will duplicate this row content, and then I will I will copy the content, and then I will put here, and I will delete unused content. Yeah, could be this, and I will add image. No, I mean the color to make it the same, and I will adjust the padding for top and bottom. Okay. This is the I would say it could be 80 80%. Yeah, 80%. The design is almost done. So let's try to render as the email using Amplify plugin. Okay, you can click the frame that you already created, and you can click here and then try to render this email. And then let's try to make as responsive. Let's see. Okay, that's cool. Okay, actually, if you want to test this one, it's possible if you want to test using email test platform, but I want to make sure everything could be perfect. Yeah, perfect.
A few moments later.
So you can duplicate, and you can put on the bottom, and you can add another image, another frame actually. Yeah, you can duplicate, and you can copy. Yeah, you can copy and you can paste it, and you can create as a fit. And another thing that you make it the same thing, yeah, the same behavior. So, and then change to fit. Okay, and if you want to adjust, okay, if you want to make it, okay, if you want to make it fill container or no, if you want to adjust the weight, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, I think that's enough. And if you want to make it the same as well, okay, that's cool, right? Right. Yes. Okay, and the next thing is we want to create a footer note. Okay, a footer note. Let me check on this one. Okay, I want to add some additional content for footnote and privacy and policy. Okay, it could be the same thing. Yeah, it could be the same thing. You can duplicate this one or duplicate this one. You can add and you can adjust, reorder the structure, and you can delete unused content, and then you can put as many as you wanted. Okay, so this is the email that I already created, and exactly the same format, so the same content, the same image, the same structure. So let's see if I render the image, the template using Envier HTML generator. Okay, and then let's try to render the image. Okay, let's see. Is everything good? Actually, yeah, it's too far, but it's okay. I think you get the design concept here. But why the PG12 still on the left side here? Let me adjust. Hopefully I can. Oh, okay. So yeah, everything is good. Everything can be clickable, and if I change to the mobile version, it could be responsive. And if I change to the dark mode or using the Gmail version, and everything is looks beautiful. Okay, in step 3, so we will export the design to the code using the npr HTML generator. So let's say you already created based on step 2, and then step 3 is export the code and the asset, and change the image URL with the image that you already host to image hosting, and then we test it to your to my email and your email. So the first thing that you need to do is you can call the npr HTML. You can run it, and then you can select render email, and then if you want to check some, okay, in the dark mode what's look like, and on the Gmail what's look like, that will be if you think is everything is well and no issue, so you can download it. You can click download, or you can copy the code, but I recommend click download, and you will get the code and also the image that already export automatically based on the plugin. And then if you already download it, and you can modify it, change the image or the image path into the image that already host to image hosting. Okay, let's say you already downloaded, and you can modify it in your text editor. So let me change to the text editor first. Okay. Okay, so 1 second. So here is the text, the email that I already exported, and you will get two email, and XML email and TGML email. So I'm using the XML email. So this is the result, the result of generate from the plugin. And then let's say you want to change the black background into the same background as like the frame. So what you need to do is quite easy. So you can check the code, the image, the hexa code, and then you can add the styling name into this line, the line 26. So you can add background color, and then you can put the background, the hexa code. So you can save it, and voila, the black change to the same color as like a frame, root frame. Yeah. Okay, let's say you already done and you already check and no issue, and then the next step is change the URL, the path of the image. Let's say this is one, so you need to change the image URL into based on the image that's already host. Okay, I will upload the image first. Okay, and then I will copy this one, so the logo header. So I will copy and I will paste to the code. So you can change this one. And you can change one by one. So let's say it's the image 1, image 1, image 2, image 2, where's the image 2? Or you can find with find and see the PNG. So logo header, image 2, okay, I found it. Okay, image 2, I will change it. Okay.
A few moments later.
And then save, and you can check. 1 second. Okay, done. So all the image path is already updated based on this URL. And then the next step is we test to using the putmails.com. So if you want to test your email and make sure everything is work well and no issue, you can test send email test to your email. So okay, I will copy all this one, and then I will using and paste the code, and then I will to my email. Okay, and let's say testing mail down list. Okay, everything is okay, and send email. Okay, your test on the way, and then you can check your email. Yeah, let's see, I got okay, this one. Okay, everything is perfect and no issue, and the same is on the code. Yeah, so if you want to test the responsive, so you can test on your phone, make sure it's responsive or not. Okay, I think all done. Everything's already from scratch. So we already on step 1. We already learn about understanding layout structure for the email. Second one, the step 2. designing the email template based on the structure. And step 3, we export, we test, we change a little bit in the code, and we send to the email, and everything is ready to use. And yeah, that's all. So I hope you like my video, for hopefully you can understand what I was saying. And also, yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye.